Hello everyone, ciao a tutti. Welcome back to Learn Italian with Bucola. In today's video, we will be learning the 5 foreign letters used in Italy. In our previous video, we learned the Italian alphabet, the letters and the sounds. But in today's video, we will be learning the 5 foreign letters used in Italy. They are I lunga, K, W, X, Y. Let's repeat the letters once again. I lunga, K, W, X, Y. J is pronounced as I lunga. I lunga for jeans. In Italy, we don't have an Italian word for jeans. So, jeans is pronounced as jeans. K is pronounced kappa. Kappa for kiwi or ketchup. There is no Italian word for ketchup. W is pronounced W. W for Washington. X is pronounced X. X for xylophone. Y is pronounced Y. Y for yogurt. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you in our next lesson. Ciao! Thank you so much for watching. Grazie e arrivederci.